Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Roblox crashed due to incompatible software, and that particular error should have a basically a file name. So in my case, as you can see here, it's portcls.sys, right? So what you need to do here, you need to just go to that particular path. So in my case is, as you can see here, if I open up this, is disk C, and then as you can see here, it's Windows, then System32, and then as you can see here, it's drivers, right? Drivers. Then once you into that particular path that's shown on your error, you just need to look for that particular file. So for me, it's port cls.sys, right? And then what you need to do here is to drag that particular file on desktop or delete it if you want to, and run the game, and the issue should be solved. If the issue is not solved, then you can drag that particular file back, but nevertheless, it should work. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.